everybody, hope you're having a fabulous day. My name is John and you're watching Star Custom Woodworking, where we build projects with wood. Yeah. Let's get this thing kicked off right with a really ambitious project. That's right, we're gonna do it. We're entering the Great Guitar Build-Off 2021 Scratch Build Challenge. This is going to be amazing. This has been a dream of mine for as long as I can remember.
Remember how I used to chit-chat with Dad about always wanting a bathtub shaped like a
Guitar? Now, I'm not a professional luthier. I'm just an amateur woodworker. But I put together a parts caster. And I've also built my own body, but I used a Wormouth neck. Well, that's okay. Because this time I'm doing the whole kit and caboodle, from tip to butt, soup to nuts. We're gonna do the body, we're gonna do the neck, we're gonna do the finish work, we're gonna do the electronics, and it's gonna be amazing. So let's get started with the plan and get to cutting. And like my father always used to say,
when there's no plan, there's no attack. And no attack, there's no victory.
All right, now that we got all that out of the way, we're gonna build a single cutaway guitar with a carved top, a mahogany body, a maple neck, and an ebony fretboard. We'll be using Dillon pickups, P90 pickups, and a Hipshot Tremolo. We'll also be using Hipshot open gear locking tuners, cause they're so cool. I'm also including a design feature of a faux maple pick guard. And you know what? I might throw in a few little things along the way as well. Now we'll be cutting this thing out on the CNC, so we need to get our blanks together first. So let's get going.
"24 hours later."
that's all for today. If you like what you saw, why don't you consider hitting that like button? And if you want to see more content like this in the future, why don't you hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell? If you didn't like what you saw today, that's okay too. Why don't you leave a comment down below and let me know how I can improve? That's not going to go wrong. Now, to all you other great guitar build-off competitors out there, I'm wishing you the best of luck. I'm super excited to see your videos and what you've come up with. Until next time, I hope you have a fabulous day.